Almost no one uses this Excel feature. This map was made in Excel. If you want to see exactly how I built it, watch till the end. And follow the channel for more practical Excel tips. First, I selected my data. Then I pressed Ctrl+A to select everything. Next, Ctrl+T to convert the data into a table. This step is important. Tables make Excel smarter. Now I added a slicer, so I can filter the data with just one click. After that, I selected the table, went to Insert, Maps, and chose Filled Map. Excel instantly turned the data into a live map. Once the map is added, right-click anywhere on the map, and choose Format Data Series. Next, under Map Area, select Country or Region. Now, turn Map Labels on, and choose Show All. If you found this helpful, like the video and follow for more Excel content. Short, practical tips, no fluff. For better visibility, I'm using a darker fill color for the map and a brighter highlight color for the data.